Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this makeup look using the Maybelline Soda Pop palette. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, stay tuned. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from me. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Today I'm going to be starting out with brows, and I'm going to be using the NYX Tame and Frame Brow Pomade in the shade Espresso. And I'm also going to be using the Makeup Revolution brow pencil. To clean up my brows, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Define and Conceal Concealer. To prep my lids for eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the same concealer. I'm going to go ahead and set the concealer with the Makeup Revolution Banana Powder. For eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Soda Pop palette. The first shade I'm going to use is Crushing, and I'm just going to put that into my crease. Next I'm going to be using the shade Cherry on Top, and I'm going to put that in my crease, but a little bit lower than I put the orange. Next I'm going to be taking the shade Cherry Cola, and I'm going to put that on the inner part of my lid. I'm going to go ahead and start with my face makeup now. For foundation, I'm going to use the Maybelline Stick Foundation in the shade Golden. To conceal, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. To cream contour my face, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Cafe. To set under my eyes, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution banana powder. To set the rest of my face, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. For eyeliner, I'm going to be using the Essence eyeliner pen in the shade Black. So I'm going to go ahead and do my lower lash line, and I'm just going to use the orange and the purple that I put in my crease earlier. For mascara, I'm going to be using the NYX Faux Lashes mascara. For lashes, I'm going to be using the Eyeliner Luxe Lashes in the style Baroque. Okay, so I'm gonna move back to my face while my lash glue is getting tacky. To bronze my skin, I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild contouring palette. For blush, I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in the shade Mellow Wine. First, I'm going to set my face with the MAC Fix Plus. I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Chrome highlight in the shade Molten Gold. For lips, I'm going to line my lips with the ColourPop Lippy Pencil in the shade K. And then I'm going to use the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade Driver.